Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that is 2 raised to power t minus 2 equals 48. You have to find the value of t. So how we will solve this question? First of all, we will take log on both sides or split this power first of all. So we get 2 raised to power t into 2 raised to power minus 2 that equals 48 because we know that x raised to power m minus n can be written as x raised to power m into x raised to power minus n. Then we will write 2 raised to power t divided by 2 square because we know that x raised to power minus m can be written as 1 by x raised to power m that equals 48. Now we have 2 raised to power t equals 2 square into 48. Now we will take the LCM of 48. 2 times 4, 2 4 times 8, 2 1 times 2, 2 times 4. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 time. So 2 1 1 2 3 4. We get 2 raised to power 4 into 3. So this will become 2 raised to power 6 into 3. Now in the next step we will take the log of this. So write this here as take log on both sides. We get log of 2 raised to power t equals log of 2 raised to power 6 into 3. Then here two values are multiplied, it means they are added. So log of 2 raised to power 6 plus log of 3. T is in the start, so t log of 2. Here the power 6 is in the start, log 3. Now we will divide this by log 2. So log 2 are cancelled out. So t equals 6 plus log 3 by log 2. Now we will apply the change base rule here. So get t equals 6 plus log base is 2 and 3. So this is the final answer. Now we will do the verification as 2 raised to power t. In place of t we will write 6 plus log base is 2 and 3 that equals 45. Then 2 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power log base is 2 and 3. So minus 2 is also here. Then 2 raised to power 6 minus 2 into, here you can see we will put this equals 3. So 2 raised to power 4 into 3 is, we get 16. So 16 into 3 is 48. It's mean left hand side equals right hand side. That gives us our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.